Hi YouTube, this is my 1964 Powercraft 3 horsepower crank start mower. I've seen a few of these, but none of them that have run. This one runs real well. I'll show you how it works. Over here you have a button you push for run and wind up. You gotta take the button, put it over to wind up, and you take this and you just crank it. Okay, it's cranked up, and you take the dial and you put it to run, and you just hit the button over here. You can adjust the idle by just turning this knob. Turn it off, turn it over to the stop position, and it turns itself off. Nothing fancy, just a side discharge, no bagger, no mulcher. It's pretty amazing. It still runs, 1964. Thanks.